But both said that it had been important and it had been necessary and very successful in front of discussion that those that people like. Dr. Alex Cadwell joins us now from Oxford, the senior. Anyway, general. So that's the segment that is the 42-day gap. Does it matter if they get their second jab 45 days after their first jab instead of 42? That's the sort of.
If it's on your own feet as well, we're on the motorbike, I didn't know that that was possible. Thank you for telling us. Can we listen to a voice note of Sylvia?
Hi, everybody.
The revised tournament format will be two groups of 5 teams each. Semi-final time at Euro 2020 tonight. Italy in sublime form taking on Spain. Italy last won the tournament.
Whoa, what? Why?
Yeah,
no, be a ghost.
yeah,
Yeah,
not like quasi rom-com flat.
right. All I was trying to say was at that point in the
It's also, I feel like her
What
staying
the-
power is largely because of gifts as well. Like, I feel like what?
So we're going to do just one more that Chris really wanted to address. This was an email I received. I'm going to read it aloud, and I'm going to do my best here. It's from
I'm gonna try not to get angry.
Nikon and Canon are Japanese names and should be pronounced as the Japanese do.
Into it where it's like, here we are in the hangar, you're seeing everyone operating, all the stuff in the background, you're understanding all of this now through just sort of like exposure therapy. It's at the end
I was hoping it'd be all like 90s EDM, like the trailer.
How can I do this character justice? A character that I loved growing up and seeing him just over and over. It has been less cold in the past week. How did you notice the temperatures aren't as cold although it's still in the maybe because of my area of work. I feel like I'm always Pick 101. Phantom Insurance.
Mother.
Insurance. Opposition. 24 hours a day. Eyewitness news. In touch, in tune, and independent. Okay, let's go with it. Quiet.
They'd be more like the Hilux. The Hilux will make mid-speed of any terrain. What a chop.
Resolution, a long-term peace between his yes.
The lawyers and judge Russell Puppet had their eyes glued to the projector when they were internal whistling and was demonstrating how he fixed the confusion that the women found in the scene.
And if I did that, I would be like, no, Command Z, undo. In a way with disability comedy and disability sport and so forth, and combining the two in a show called The Last Leg. And so there's quite a thing about it, but it is, let's be honest, it's not BBC One prime time, and it's channel of the Karma Coffee. As we talk about mental health.
Well, I like it's really vibrating. I like that because it's like the little pin thing.
You know what I don't like about it?
What?
I don't like that it's in color.
Sure.
Like, I like the Aquaman thing where they're all, like, blue tinted. And I don't like in Black Panther.
Be a host. For a couple of reasons. One is just the sheer numbers. There aren't that many symbionts around. And two is
Right. Yeah.
we don't.
The National Prosecuting Authority says the two were found to be part of a larger syndicate traveled from the Palace and the all Western Coast to other market stores in the experience.
The best tweet of 2019 is the tweet that pointed that out to us.
You know this feeling, though, when you see a film this early in the year that you like this much, and you're like, this isn't even a default.
Their house.
He's 45 minutes in, right? The first 45 minutes, these two guys sort of dancing around.
David does this thing where he like walks around and bumps.
But this really does feel like a final battle. In the vernacular we know of how these superhero movies go, it doesn't feel like Whiplash at the racetracks. It feels like the final, like Bucky's uncle was like, you know, like Ant-Man's teacher or whatever.
Right.
It's the same sort of interconnected thing where he's like, these people are trying to find meaning in these totally meaningless things, right? Because that's the way we like, make it through our lives, you know? You tell yourself that like getting left at the altar is the thing that made you change your career. And then you make your million or whatever it is. You know, people like create these narratives where it's like this.
After 1996, these changes include making great art and outreach for all children, making the provincial education department responsible to school along with policy. Those are the headlines, but I would just use them more as one film as
Chess,
heart,
all
right.
these things were described to me, and all of them sounded terrifying, but they also sounded so bizarre that I then became drawn to see the movie.
And
I definitely remember seeing him in situations like that in the early 2000s in New York City.
like, oh yeah,
Like in his like criminal intent years, where it's just like.
It was really intense. It's amazing. Yeah. What are you saying when committed to serving the capital?
I intend to stay on as the mayor. My commitment is to the city. I left a perfectly comfortable...
Hello everyone, thank you for watching. New videos coming soon. Let's all be considerate and drive safely.
I live in the city. My family is here. I love the city. My commitment is to the city. And my first...